Hi, welcome to the video series for Business 1010 Intro to Business. In this section, we're going to be talking about accounting. Many of you probably are asking, what is accounting? And let me try to explain that in the context that accounting is commonly referred to as the language of business. And when you're thinking about business as a foreign environment, and it would be that for many, accounting becomes the foreign language that is spoken there. And so you in your life, if you travel abroad, you probably can understand that if you spoke a foreign language in the foreign country that you're in, you'd be able to get around better, you'd understand things, you'd have a better time. Well, when we relate that to the business environment and business meetings and boardrooms, understanding accounting helps people in the business world understand the environment in which business operates. Continuing more specifically, accounting involves the tracking of businesses' income and expense, and it records these in financial transactions. And this information is presented to a variety of parties who are interested in making decisions about the business. Let's talk about the types of accounting. There are really lots of different types of accounting. Financial accounting, managerial accounting. These two together are commonly referred to as corporate accounting, but they are two specific things, and we'll talk about those in detail in a second. Auditing is a type of accounting, governmental accounting, tax accounting. And then there's other areas, maybe a subset of some of these other categories: payroll, budgeting and forecasting, financial analysis, accounting information systems, fraud examination, etc. So financial accounting, which is sometimes called financial reporting, prepares the reports for parties external to the organization. The primary users of financial data are investors and creditors as they look to make investing and lending decisions. These reports collectively are called the financial statements, and publicly traded companies issue annual reports called 10-Ks. And here is a picture of what the annual report from Nike looks like. Managerial accounting provides information for internal users in the organization, like managers. There's no standard reports generated for managerial accounting. Information is collected and analyzed based on the needs of the specific user. Auditing is an area of accounting responsible for reviewing and evaluating the accuracy of the financial reports. Auditors can be either employees of the organization, which we call internal auditors, or hired by the firm to perform an audit function, and we call those external auditors. All firms whose stock are publicly traded on an exchange must have their financial statements examined by external auditors. Governmental accounting and not-for-profit accounting refers to the accounting that is required for organizations that don't have a focus of generating profits. Legislative bodies, charities, things like that would use governmental and not-for-profit accounting. Since the primary purpose of these organizations is not generating a profit for their shareholders, the accounting and reporting needs are modified to suit the needs of the users of this information. Tax accounting involves preparing taxes and giving advice on tax strategies. This could include personal income tax, corporate income tax, estate taxes, and then taxes for small businesses. Tax strategies often include how to minimize tax liabilities. And that concludes our introduction to accounting and the various types of accounting.